He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life.
Just don't give up what you're trying to do, where there is love and inspiration. I don't think you could go wrong.
Time is always right to do what is right.
Whatever we believe about ourselves and our ability comes true for us.
I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying.
Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations.
Our humanity is bound up in yours, for we can only be humans together.
In the month of October, we celebrated Black History Month.
Black History Month is a chance for us to recognise the contributions of black people throughout history and celebrate them.
We created fact files, wrote poems, took part in workshops, and we even did some African dance.
Funkilla, 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 funkilla. I go show you wonder, what it wonderful. You no go believe wetin won't happen. No disturb us when the bed do won't catch you. Like you dey sleep, but this one pass you.
Hello, my name's Sophie Butler. I'm the Year 6 STEM captain, and during Black History Month in STEM Club, we've been creating lots of posters on inspirational black men and women scientists, and these are our creations.
Hello, my name is Jamie Evers and I learned about Rosa Parks. I think she's a very important person because she refused to stand up to let a white person sit down when she was sitting on a bus one day. She led a really famous bus boycott and it involved loads of black people led by Rosa Parks. I think that they should have been treated equally and that white people were treated much differently to black people. Thank you.
When Rosa Parks was on the bus, when all the white people came in, they got to sit in the front and the bigger space, and the black people had to sit at the back with a smaller space.
And was that fair?
No.
Why wasn't it fair?
And it wasn't fair because they treated the black people bad, and they were nasty about the colour of their skin.
This is one of my favourite books called Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls, and it has lots of stories of inspirational women. One of my favourite stories in this book is Makayla de Prince. So when she was little, she had a skin condition called vitiligo, and because of this skin condition, lots of people called her names, like the Devil's Daughter. Here's one of Makayla de Prince's quote: "Never be afraid to be a poppy in a field of daffodils." And what that means is that you don't need to be afraid of who you are when lots of people are the same.
So I did my poster on lots of different black history people and some of my favourite quotes. So this one was by Malcolm X. "We declare our right on this earth to be a man, to be a human being, to be respected as a human being, to be given the rights of a human being in this society, on this earth, on this day, which we intend to bring into existence by any means necessary."
I go show you wonder, what it wonderful. You no go believe wetin won't happen. No disturb us when the bed do won't catch you. Like you dey sleep, but this one pass you. Banga. I think bed do don't start. Bonjo. From your feet all over. Bonjo. With somebody that bonjo. 'Cause I'm feeling it in my soul.
kasai. Moka nae, moka nae, moka moka kasai. Olele, olele, moliba makasi. Olele, olele, moliba makasi.
E. Every life matters. Q. Questions bubble in my head. U. Underestimating people. A. All should count in the world. L. Lives that are black are the same as white. I. It all started with George Floyd. T. The world, especially in America, has been through trouble. Y. You can help.
I researched some facts about Chadwick Boseman with Henry and Conrad, and he was born on the 29th of November 1976. His full name is Chadwick Aaron Boseman, and he was born in Anderson, South Carolina.
Long time ago, there was a young kind farmer called Keepat. Every morning he came out on the fresh emerald green grass and green sea of wears a red velvet robe and a dark brown and has dark brown skin like wood. Kevin called Keepat. He had short blonde hair. There's a lovely long carpet of green, damp and juicy grass all around Kapiti Plain and the cold freezing Prince Mountain in the distance. One day the rain was really belated and the grass. Kapiti Plain is in Africa. It is green. And the grass was turning dry and brown. Then Keepat was getting worried that the cows would go hungry. After a while, the cows were very hungry and Keepat was very worried. It didn't. There was a huge grey heavy rain cloud, but it wouldn't rain. Keepat was feeling very worried for his herd. A magic, beautiful eagle swooped down to Keepat.
Barack Obama quoted, "Keep exploring, keep dreaming, keep asking why. Don't settle for what you already know. Never stop believing in the power of your ideas, your imagination, your hard work to change the world."
Barack Obama was the first black US president. He is a good basketball player and enjoys the sport.
If he wasn't a politician, he said that he would like to be an architect.
He was born on the 4th of August 1961.
Barack Obama was the first black and African American president of the United States. He doesn't drink coffee and he doesn't like ice cream. And this quote I learned from my lesson at school. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress.
Usain Bolt is the fastest person on earth. He is Jamaican and 1.95 meters tall. He is 34 years old. He lives in Jamaica. He is a runner and athlete. His family members are Olympia Lightning Bolt, Wesley Bolt, Sadiki Bolt, Sharon Bolt, and Jennifer Bolt.
One of his quotes was, "Worrying gets you nowhere. If you turn up worrying about how you're going to perform, you've already lost. Train hard, turn up, run your best, and the rest will take care of itself."
Has racism impacted your life?
Sometimes it has, because I feel sometimes people haven't judged me because of who I am, but because of what I am. So on the surface, I'm a black woman, and people might see that first before scratching below the surface to find out who I am. So sometimes it doesn't always give you the best or easiest start, and you've got to work very hard to overcome that.
If you had any superpower, what would it be?
It would be for everyone to get on and to eradicate racism completely.
I have a voice. Sometimes I lose it behind the creaky floorboard, but it's still there, and this is the story when my voice was not heard. I lived in America at the time, during the period when skin colour chose your path of life. My skin is ebony black, and I blend with the night sky, but I am proud of it.
Somebody that bonjo, 'cause I'm feeling it in my soul. Something is changing.
Although Black History Month was celebrated during October, it is still important for us to continue discovering and learning all about the inspirational black men and women and the positive impact they've had on the world. Say their names.
Harriet Tubman,
Marcus Rashford,
Michelle Obama,
Nelson Mandela,
Rosa Parks,
Stevie Wonder,
Viv Anderson,
Mae Jemison,
Katherine Johnson,
Ella Fitzgerald,
Lewis Hamilton,
Lillian Bader,